Happy New Year, and what a new year it's been so far. This is Tom Kozlik from Hilltop Securities again coming to you with a economic and municipal market update. Today, it's Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. The most important factor still impacting the investing world is COVID-19. We are seeing, even in the middle of January, that COVID-19 is spreading uncontrollably. We saw 77,000 deaths in the month of December. A model forecasts there could be as many as 140,000 deaths in the month of January in the United States. The same model is predicting that deaths in February could be just as bad. Already, we are seeing the number of daily deaths above 4,400. This makes a strong argument for the fact that the COVID-19 virus is still spreading uncontrollably. Economic activity is being negatively affected. We've seen some economic indicators come in weaker than expected. This low economic data shouldn't be surprising. Mobility data in the form of the Dallas Fed's Mobility and Engagement Index has been lower since the end of November. It hasn't been this low since May of 2020. Just last week, on Friday, we saw December non-farm payroll data come in at negative 140,000 compared to the plus 50,000 that was the consensus estimate. The number of state and local government jobs has also been down in 3 of the last 4 months. Turning to the municipal market, the Democrats' win in Georgia was very big. It could also mean very big changes or additions to the legislative agenda we can expect to see in 2021. We expect the legislative agenda could be very pro-municipal. We expect anything that was included in the HEROES Act or the Moving Forward Act, which were both proposed and then approved by House Democrats last year, could find their way into potential legislation. Anything in the HEROES Act or the Moving Forward Act could be on the table. Included in the legislation could be something close to the $1 trillion of direct, unencumbered aid that was proposed back in 2020 in the HEROES Act. We also expect that we could see a proposal to bring back a BAB-like or taxable Build America bond-like infrastructure-focused program. And we would not be surprised to see a situation where lawmakers propose to bring back advance refundings with tax-exempt bonds. We're expecting to hear more details about what could be proposed later in the week. And finally, we'd like to let you know that we're going to be revising our 2020 issuance forecast. Back in the middle of November, we forecast issuance of $375 billion for 2021. Now, there have been 2 significant events that are causing us to revise our forecast already. The first was the $900 billion of fiscal relief that Congress approved at the end of 2020. The second is the fact that, as we've been talking about, we're going to be expecting some significant additional fiscal relief that could really bolster municipal credit and make it so issuers are feeling as though they are more confident and could issue more bonds this year. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next week. This was Tom Kozlik from Hilltop Securities.